my favorite time of the month. It's reveal day.
I'm very pumped. Everybody is excited. Everybody is waiting outside to surprise Sarah with her new van.
The team and Kim are waiting outside the doors. We're just waiting for Sarah to pull up. Really excited, but I'm also nervous. I'm just looking forward to see her reaction. I think she's really gonna be happy with what we did.
Hi!
Hey Sarah!
What's up?
I'm surprised you're late. I thought you would be so excited.
I know, I was excited.
Hey Ru, are you excited? Are you excited? So, well, before the van is coming, then I give you the flowers that match your interior design.
Oh, thank you! They're so beautiful. I love sunflowers.
Good. They're from Gilroy. No, that's not true.
You went all the way to Gilroy.
Yeah, I know. The attention to detail. The attention to details.
Thank you, they're beautiful. Oh my God. Rude, check it out!
So Sarah, a big reason me and Kim started Drifter Van was we bonded over our passion for travel, and we wanted to inspire others to do the same. You've been traveling the country as a CT tech. You started off going from Airbnb to Airbnb, and then you moved into a tiny home to an Airstream for the past year. Well, now you're moving into a Drifter Vans. So Sarah, Ru, I want to introduce you to your new home on wheels. Get it!
Check it out! Oh my God, you guys. Wow. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love the rock climbing holes. That is so cool.
In case you want to remove it.
I have gotten to completely customize everything. The floors, up to the ceiling, the cabinets, the walls, literally everything. Even the floor plan, I've been able to customize inch by inch. Everything's gonna be perfectly suited for me and my dog and our lifestyle. It's literally gonna be my dream home on wheels.
Better than you thought,
It's,
right?
yeah,
It came out perfect.
you guys went so above and beyond.
So what do you think of the changes between the new ceiling, the new butcher block?
It's perfect.
Right.
It was
I'm
a good
really
call.
glad we made that change.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
'Cause I
thank
remember
you guys
were,
for doing that.
Of course. I remember that you were a little bit worried after changing it. You were like, I changed it in the middle, it might not match anymore, but it ended up working perfectly.
Yeah, everything matches great. And those custom floors that you guys did. Like, I really wanted that herringbone.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
guys
you
made that
got it,
happen.
you got it, yeah. So we obviously didn't fix them, as you could see. you removed
Oh,
it,
yeah.
so in case you want to remove them. But we made a little rock climbing wall to remind you of that time I came to Gilroy to teach you how to rock climb.
Oh, to teach me how to
obviously,
okay.
obviously, yeah.
Yep.
But you let us know if you want to keep a few, we can attach them. If you want to remove a few or remove all of them, they're just on alien tape, so they can be removed. Everyone, you like your mattress? You like your bed?
What do you think, Mom?
Okay, I'll come out.
Good?
I'm sorry, I should have helped this.
Congratulations.
I got it, Kim.
Thank you. Thank you for making a nice home.
Of course.
For my little girl. Thank you all so much.
You're welcome.
I absolutely love it. Like, seriously, couldn't have.
So do we.
The entire team at some point touched your van, so they were all part of the build. I mean, me mainly, but they all participated as well.
I hope you didn't touch it.
I hope you didn't touch it.
Stop taking all the credit. I did most of it. Whoa!
That was awesome. Way better than I would have done it.
So should we call this a success?
Eh, Yes, absolutely.
Cheers.
Congratulations, Sarah.
Thank you guys.
When I decided to purchase the Airstream, I was actually living in a tiny house at the time, and it's kind of what inspired me to believe that tiny home living is totally feasible and actually really fun, and why not take it a step further by having a tiny house on wheels. So I think it's been a really good transition for me to go to even a smaller space in the van. I don't think it's going to be any issue. I actually like the small space because I can multitask and do multiple things at once. Like I could be editing a video and making my coffee at the same time or whatever. The van is going to take me so many places that the trailer could not, with way less work and planning involved.
So thank you everyone for joining the final, and now Sarah is going to take us out.
Yay!
Sing.
No.
Don't, not sing to us. Sing to me.
Let's make a Drifter Van song.
Okay.
You guys down?
Yeah.
Oh. That doesn't sound good. Alright, take the lead, Paul.
Home is where the road goes.
Bravo.